Hello friends, my name is Unnikrishnan and this is the first video of the series how you can build your own website. So in this first video, we are going to learn the basics of HTML and the CSS. So with that ready, let's get to work. So now we are on the desktop. You can ask me a question that where we will write the codes. And the answer to that question is a text editor. Yeah, a text editor. You can choose any text editor you want. There are many text editors like Notepad, Atom, and such that. So now I will show you writing codes in Notepad. So I had opened the simplest of all text editor, Notepad. So every HTML code starts from this code, HTML, and these brackets, and here HTML. Yeah. Inside these two, we write the HTML codes. So whatever we write inside these codes only will work. If we write anything outside this code, such as I will write here something like a image source, yeah, this one. If I write this code over here, it won't work because it is outside the HTML. So whatever we write inside the HTML will actually work. So I will write something like hello world. Yeah, nowadays it is a trend to write hello world as beginners. So okay, now how we can run this code? Notepad doesn't have any method to run the code like Turbo C++ has. So we will actually save this inside any folder, okay, as .html. Yeah, the format will be .html. So whatever we write after the name, that is, it should be .html. So I will give this name as index. So index.html. You can give any name such as home.html, index.html, or even your name, whatever you can give. But after that, you should have a .html over there. Okay, now let's save this. After saving this, open your files and you can see here index.html. Now if I double click on that, you can see this, the Windows Explorer has now started and you can see this hello world displaying over here. Yeah, you had write your first code. Very great. Now let's move on to the next code. So if I write down here again my life, yeah, simply I wrote my life and I save this, normal saving, get back here, and if I reload it, you can see it is displaying my life. But why? I wrote the code down the hello world, yeah, below the hello world, but it is displaying not like that. So if you want to display this code down here, you will write a code known as br. Yeah, it should be in this lesser than and greater than symbols, should be inside this, and there is no crossing symbol, just this much. I will save this and reload. Now you can see this displaying down. But what if I want to leave a space over here? Yeah, if I wrote this my life down here, sorry, yeah, down here, and I save this, reload, nothing would actually happen. So if we want this to have a little more space here, simple, we have to just type br over there also, save this, reload, we have space. Now we can have as many spaces we want. Okay, now I will delete that, let the hello world be there. So what if I want to show this hello world as a heading? So now it is showing simply hello world. What if I want to show this as a heading? You can just type h1 over there, the beginning and ending of the heading. You can type h1 that means heading 1. Ending should have a hash over there. Now I save this, reload. You can see the hello world is displaying in a huge letters. That is because now it is a heading. Now what if I write here in hello world heading 1? If I reload, then it will show the heading 1 over there, but not showing. Yeah, I forgot to save it. Yeah. Now if I reload, heading 1. Now what does heading 2 actually does? If I write h2 and I close it like hash h2, I put here, and I write heading 2 for actually knowing. So this will be our heading 1 and this will be our heading 2. I will save this and reload. You can see that heading 2 will be smaller than the heading 1. That is the function of h1 and h2 and like that. If you want smaller than h2, type h3 and I will type heading 3 and hash h3. Save and reload. Okay, now you can find. Okay, now you can find that hello world, that is heading 1 and heading 2 and heading 3 are different in size. That is heading 1 is the biggest, heading 2 is the second large and heading 3 is the most smaller one. Like that you have heading 4, heading 5, heading 6 and all. Now just think that, is it difficult for writing codes in Notepad? Yeah, of course it is difficult. It is very difficult to point this heading 3 and heading, you can write here this thing, and it is very difficult. So we have to find a better and easy method to write codes. It is not easy to write a big code in a just simple smallest a Notepad. So I recommend to use a software or a text editor known as Atom. Okay, I will show you. I'll just save this, close this and everything I had closed. Now open your browser, whatever browser you like, and type Atom. Atom is a text editor. It's a good text editor. You can see, you can download from here for Windows. So it is a very good text editor for using for writing huge codes. So I had already downloaded it and installed. I'm going to open this. So it has been opened. Now I'm just going to close all this welcome and welcome guide, everything, and I have a clear one right here. So how can we open the project we had already done? That is this one, index.html over here. Yeah, it is easy, just drag and drop. Yeah, so we have the same code over here. We had just opened it in other text editor known as Atom, but this doesn't change any thing in the output. That is, if you open index.html, it will be same. You can see here. So you can do the same things in Notepad here also. Here the good thing is that you can differentiate between this h3 and this heading and all. There is color difference, so it is more easier to use this software Atom. So in the upcoming videos I'm going to use Atom, not the Notepad. But if you prefer Notepad, you can write these codes on Notepad, but the output won't be changing. So we had done many things today. So what all we had done is we learned to write a simple code, hello world, and about heading. So today I'm going to show only this much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give a like button. And the upcoming videos are I think I can upload upcoming videos in just 2 days. So give me just a time period of 2 days. and I will upload the upcoming videos just later. So thank you for watching. I'm signing off.